Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to drain the coolant system on a Jaguar X-TYPE. This one will be the same procedure from 01 all the way until 2009. And what you need to do for that procedure, you need to jack the front end of the car up, and preferably the rear end, because the more leveled it is, the better, because that way we will get more coolant out of the system. And next thing that you need to do, you need to open the hood, and after that you will need to open the coolant reservoir right there, so when we're draining it's not making any vacuum. Okay, so you need to just take this cap off all the way like that, and then you need to go under the vehicle and with a flathead screwdriver on the passenger side. Okay, let me get a good view right there. Okay, you can see on the bumper there is a special place. Let me show exactly what it looks like. It's a screw, plastic screw, and you need to get it loose. Turn okay, you need to do counterclockwise, and you'll be able to drain the system now. When you remove the screw, you need to take it off all the way. You're going to make a little bit of a mess. Okay, almost there. And as you can see, it's draining pretty good. You can see how much black stuff came out of it already. And this one is pretty empty. It was overheated, so we wanted to see what's inside of it. But usually you should be able to get about a gallon out of it at least. Okay. So that's the whole procedure, guys, to drain it. Pretty simple. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and install that plastic screw right here. Make sure that you have the little O-ring. Okay, that's the O-ring that seals. So if that one is cracked, you might be leaking and dripping a little bit of antifreeze, so make sure this one is in good condition. If not, you can replace it. They sell them pretty inexpensive in any parts store. And always inspect for leaks after you've worked on the coolant system. And all we need to do is just install it now and fill it up. And that's how you drain the antifreeze, the coolant on a Jaguar X-TYPE. Thank you for watching us, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.